They say one village for inside Imo State, no be small thing. They say that a masquerade don give judgment to the people wey dey for inside the market. My people, this one go shock you. They say for inside this market, many people dey carry drink, palm wine dey come market, but those palm wine wey dey carry come market na all na fake palm wine, and a lot of things dey happen for people wey don drink this particular palm wine. On this fateful day, na 5 or 6 masquerade enter inside the market, bring out all the whole palm wines wey no good, wey dey keep people for inside their land. Na so they carry am destroy all of them. Na wetin happen for this video wey I go play you right now. My people, it's no longer a news that IPOB have called the Tinubu government to immediately release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because Nnamdi Kanu committed no crime by asking for the freedom of his own people. As e dey hot right now, they say that Ijele wey be the king of the game, wey dey plan how I wan take buy Nnamdi Kanu, say the hand wey hold Ijele now may not leave Ijele. My people, I'm going to bring you the first video to watch, but do not forget say you see there for Balabas gist. Make sure say you share this video and also subscribe to this channel as e dey hot. I'm going to play you this video, may you see wetin this masquerade do for inside this market before we come back and proceed. Stay tuned.
Na nyana agora nda na-ete mmanya sanyo mmiri na burukwu ndụ na-ete mmanya maka sa onye nwanne nwere obi ha dị mma si na ndị na-ebu ata ataghị nkwa n'obodo ọzọ ngwongwo achọrọ m nke ahụ ha na-ayo na ruru na-abata na tinye ya ike ngwongwo ọ bụ na egbutecha na ndị mmadụ ngwongwo ataka nyakọrọ na akụkọ ngwongwo ọsọ na nọ ntị n'ihe asụrụ nọ mmanya egbutu na ọ bụghị mmanya na mmiri ka ọ bụ ngwongwo asụ na-enwere ihe a na-eje kpujiri na-adị ka achara mba na-amụga atụkọcha anyị na ebidoga ihe a na-aga ihe ngwongwo asa etimeje nke bụ chuga si ite niile na ya ọ na-asụ ụrụ ịṅụ ọ bụrụ nke ngwongwo eje abụtara okwu gara mmadụ mma ataghị ya ọ na-esitinwe isi nkwụ elu ngwongwo asọ onye ka a na-egbu ata na-esi anyị na-aṅụ n'ọnụ nkwụ elu ngwongwo agịkpagara nụ
Okay, my wonderful people, inside this channel we dey talk the things as e be with no fear because we are independent. My people, wetin we wan talk for inside this video na be this thing be say, you see this masquerade wey you see here, let him be that there is a proper investigation of those drink. Is it well test before destroying? Because you know things are happening these days. But normally in olden days, masquerade always send a message to anybody wey dey intimidate somebody or anybody wey dey do bad. Na masquerade go tell am say e dey do such thing like this. So these villagers are still practicing it. But what I'm saying here is that let him be that there is a proper investigation before this thing are being done. Because that gallon you see there worth of palm wine is cost a lot of money. So if it is fake, what they did is absolutely good and right. But if it is not, or somebody using it to manipulate the market, me, I'm against it. But however, let me leave it to the people to say their own opinion in this video. So I'm going to show you another video where IPOB have making this comment telling the Tinubu government that they have called them several times to release Nnamdi Kanu. Is not one and it's not. So watch the video before we come back and proceed.
Down to the southeast here, some people have attributed it to the continued incarceration of Nnamdi Kanu. And people like Ohanese and several other individuals have called for the release of that young man. I don't know what your own take is about that.
My take is very simple, and I've said it repeatedly, that I don't see anything why his continued detention, quite frankly. Especially as the law, the courts have granted him bail. Government must obey the law. Rule of law is an intrinsic asset that we must cherish and live with. And I've said I'm going to discuss with every agitator. And I use the same opportunity to play to government to ensure that all those who are in similar conditions are released and discussed with. We're a democratic government. We shouldn't be doing things that are arbitrary and not within the law.
Okay, my wonderful people, you just watch the moment that Peter Obi have come outside to call the Tinubu government or administration to make sure that they release Nnamdi Kanu because the court have set him free. I'm going to leave you to drop your own opinion in the comment section regarding the video you just watched, and let's jump inside this matter. Udele will be the king of the game. This is a video where he's making all kinds of threat to Nnamdi Kanu that he go buy am, he go comot him head. Now one thing they hold am to go buy Nnamdi Kanu, as he take tell other people say he go buy them. Even in talk reach police people self and army and even Ebukobi. Let me bring you the video for you to watch before we come back and continue.
If they leave Nnamdi Kanu, me, I go buy am by no killing Nnamdi, make I die. Now federal government they think to me, I for don't killing Nnamdi by now. If I no plan now, make all my children die before my eyes. See, I swear on the earth I'm out of phone. I for don't kill Nnamdi by now.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have listened to that thing that Udele said from his own mouth. My people, there is one thing I want to tell you guys. If you are a content creator or you are a blogger or you want to make money on social media out there, do not do pass yourself, because if you don't do pass yourself, you go collect woto. Now be waiting Udele they collect now as we dey talk. Remember say last time this Udele they make so many talk, they talk so many things regarding all the whole people for inside social media. Ebuko be anywhere where talk pass, Udele go say na him do am, na him solve am. Do you know that this guy now, most of the people wey dey tell am Udele right down are nowhere to be found? Things are happening. They don't leave you behind. Why don't them set a protest to federal government in order way for them to release you if you are actually doing good? So why are not that crowd tweeting or calling for your release? this is the thing that when you are doing it, people will be clapping for you. Be very, very careful when people are lifting you up, because not everybody that is lifting you up really want you to be up. Some of them may be your enemy supporting you, and they want you to do more so that you get into trouble. This is actually what happened to Ijele, and is paying is not bearing the consequences of all his action. My people, let me leave you to drop your own opinion in the comment section, and make sure say you share this video so that other people go to get the information and know wetin dey go on for inside the matter.